Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's solve today's hamster cipher code. Today's cipher code is NFT. Okay, NFT. We have to type NFT in cipher words here in this section. Okay, let's solve today's code. So the first word is N. For this, we have to one time hold and one time tap. Okay, hold, tap. We got the N. Hold, tap. We got the N. Okay. The next one is F. For this, we have to tap, tap, hold, tap. Okay, we got the F. The next word is T. For this, we have to one time just hold. Okay, we got the T. Take the prize. Thanks for watching. See you again tomorrow for the next cipher code. Please subscribe my channel for such type of earning videos. Thanks. Okay. Bye bye.